Hello everyone, welcome to PRPCoding YouTube channel. I am Raveendran Pillai. Today I am going to discuss about the new watch flag introduced in Node.js. In this session, I shall explain how to automatically restart your Node applications without installing any third-party packages. So let's start. I have created a folder named watch flag demo and it is opened in my vscode editor. It contains a node_modules folder, a package.json file and a server.js JavaScript file. The server.js file contains 3 lines of code. In the first line, I have imported a chalk module. For that, I have installed the chalk package in this project. That's the reason why you are seeing the node_modules folder in this project. The chalk module is a third-party library that can be used for styling of text in the terminal window output. Then it contains 2 console.log statements which will be printed in red and green colors in the terminal window output. In the package.json file, I have added the command node server.js as the startup script. Now let's test this application. Run the command npm start in the terminal window. Here you can see that the watch flag demo is printed in red color and node server started is printed in green color. So everything is working as expected. Now let me modify the server.js file. Change the color of watch flag demo from red to yellow. So just replace red with yellow. To test this new change, again I need to run the npm start command in the terminal window. So let me run that npm start. And here you can see that the watch flag demo is printed in yellow color. So whenever I modify the file, I have to manually restart my Node application. In order to speed up the development process, prior to Node 18, developers used a third-party package named nodemon. This package will keep track of the changes in the Node application and it restarts the Node server. But from Node 18 onwards, this can be achieved without using nodemon or any third-party packages. Just open the package.json file and modify the startup script. Add the new watch flag introduced in Node 18. So just add -- watch. Now let me go and run the npm start command in the terminal window. npm start. Here you can see that the watch flag demo and the node server started is printed in the console window. Now let me modify the server.js file. Let me go and change the color of watch flag demo to red as well as make it in bold. So I can say that chalk.red.bold. The watch flag demo is printed in red and bold color in the console window. You can see that the Node application is restarted automatically. This is achieved by the new watch flag. The watch flag monitors the project directory and automatically restarts the Node application when it detects any changes. This means that you do not have to stop and restart your application in order for your changes to take effect. So finally, we reached the end of this session. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you.